Friends, this is Ravi from D2S Investments and Consulting Solutions. As we are passing through this challenging phase of COVID-19 situation, so we try to help each other, then see that means we hope and pray that the situation normalizes in due course. Today, as part of our knowledge sharing session on on financial planning for the future, we are going to discuss about a very important aspect of protecting our family's future finance, especially under challenging circumstances. Okay, so see, typically, so from the time we start going to work, okay, so there are various life stages. Okay, so we go, we means we do our primary and secondary education, and then we go to work. So consider we start earning. Okay, so that is stage number one. So we start earning, and what we fail to do is 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 to think ahead in terms of what we need to do next. Okay, while it is good to be in the present, and then once you are getting into job, be in the job. It's also important to look ahead from 3 to 5 years point of view in terms of uh, planning for the next stage of life. So once you start working, you get the regular income, and then means your job means you are settled on your job. So obviously, the next stage of life to most of them is the marriage. Okay, so while you start working 3 to 6 months into your job, it's better to plan in terms of what once I get married in the next 3 to 5 years. Somebody who's, let's say, 22, 23, next 3 to 5 years would be probably the age to get married. So let's say starting salary, we consider for example Mr. Ashok has just joined. He is 23 years old. His salary is 5 lakhs per annum. Okay, so what you need to think about is how to protect his future finance. Okay, so once he gets into the next stage of life, so it's very important to uh, consider a lifetime protection policy. So where so 20 times, about 20 times the annual salary in terms of human value, the income earning potential. So 5 lakhs is the annual income right now. So 20 times of that is 1 crore. So based on the current salary, if against inflation adjusted salary increase of, let's say, even a 5% increment annually, so at the time of retirement the salary would be around 1 crore annually. So that is in the next 30 years or so. Now Mr. Ashok's age is 23. By the time he is 60, 37 years from now, we can fairly assume that basically at 5% increment annually, the salary would go from 5 lakhs per annum to around 1 crore. Okay, so that is the earning potential of Mr. Ashok. So it is, so based on the future earning potential, so it's wise to cover the life in case of eventuality right now. And term insurance is the cheapest insurance in terms of cover. So what you pay is hardly for Mr. Ashok, if it takes 20 times of 5 lakhs, which is around 1 crore, would be the eligible cover. For the age of 23, hardly would be paying around 10,000 rupees a year. It is less than 1,000 rupees a month, and hardly one time meal cost 30 rupees a day is what would be the cost in terms of taking a 1 crore cover for a 23-year-old. Okay, so Mr. Ashok takes this policy at the age of 23 and pays around 10,000 rupees annually. And let's say, means in 5 years down the line, at the age of 28, Mr. Ashok gets married. So once you get married, so you already prepared for basically a crore of term insurance, because you are only, let's say, the only breadwinner. So in case now your further responsibilities, commitments, once you have the family with the wife also there, so you might then think of basically expanding the family in a year or two, and you also want to buy a house. So your liabilities would increase buying a house, and then meanwhile so your family grows, you got a kid or two, then you have to plan for kids primary, secondary and higher education. So then it is wise now then again to top up your term insurance, where there is an option to top up another 50%. Okay, so you already taken a crore, you take another 50 lakhs. So because as we discussed, your family grows, your child, you got a kid, you're expecting a kid, and then you're planning to buy a house, your liability would increase. So based on that, you take, so from a crore of term insurance which you have already taken, you go for a top up of another 50 lakhs, which is the eligibility. So there is a 1.5 crores of term insurance which you have already taken. Now you are well planned in terms of protecting your family's future finance in case as a breadwinner anything unfortunate happens. Okay, to Mr. Ashok. And now so by the time you got married, you got kids, and you have purchased a house, you are around 40. Your kids are around 10 to 15 years old, and around 45, let's say, while you are paying your home loan EMI, so almost it's been more than 10 years, so you're almost on the verge of closing the EMI. Your kids have grown. By the time you are 45 to 50, your kids have grown, they are becoming independent, and they have completed their college, and they are about to go to work. That is the time most of your liabilities now come down. You are almost you have become debt free, and then so your kids have started going to work. They can support you as dependents, and this is the time you can downsize your insurance. So insurance is always like protecting your liabilities and your family's future finance, so which is taken well in advance of the event happening. So once all these life stage events, let's say your kids have grown, your debt, you have cleared your all your debt, so then you can downsize. So downsize your insurance from 1.5 crores which we discussed. Mr. Ashok tries to downsize. Okay, and so thereby it's like a upcycle of insurance term plan when the family is growing, and once the family is self-sufficient, you downsize your term plan. So that is how we actually try to prescribe in terms of life stage of this term insurance. Okay, so hope we have explained this extremely critical and important instrument in financial planning, which is a term plan, through an example of Mr. Ashok. Okay, so as we are going through this challenging period, so challenges can come at any point of time in life. So it's better, it's very important to plan for this instrument very early in the career, because once the premium is set for a policy, it remains the same for the until the end of the policy. Okay, thank you so much. This is Ravi signing off.